Hello everyone, this is Disha and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to share a few important questions of the chapter Periodic Properties. First question, the radii of F negative, O and O2 negative are in the order of. Options are in front of you. You can pause the video to find the answer. The right answer will be second option. O2 negative greater than F negative greater than O greater than F. The size of an ion is always more than the parent atom because there will be more electrons in an ion and there will be more repulsion between those electrons. So size of an ion is more than parent atom. Moreover, in an ion, effective nuclear charge per electron will decrease, so its radius will increase. And ionic size increase with the increase in negative charge because as the number of electrons increase, effective nuclear charge per electron will decrease. So ionic size will increase. That's why this is the correct answer. Question 2. Covalent radius of bromine is 136 picometer. Ionic radius of bromine negative will be first less than 136 picometer, second greater than 136 picometer, third equal to 136 picometer and fourth 136 by 2 picometer. The correct answer will be second option because again in the anion Br negative, number of electron is more. Effective nuclear charge per electron will decrease and its radius will increase. So ionic radius of the anion is always more than that of parent atom. That's why ionic radius of bromine negative will be more than 136 picometers. Question 3. The first ionization enthalpy of alkaline earth metals are higher than those of boron family elements. This is because of first, higher nuclear charge in alkaline earth metals. Second, more penetration effect of s orbitals than p orbitals. Third, smaller size of boron family. Fourth, both 2 and 3. The right answer will be second. In alkaline earth metals, during first ionization, electrons are removed from s orbital. In boron family, during first ionization, electrons are removed from p orbitals. S orbitals are more close to the nucleus. P orbitals are comparatively far away from nucleus. So we can say that S orbitals are more penetrating towards the nucleus and penetration effect is directly proportional to ionization energy. That's why alkaline earth metals have a greater ionization energy. In group 2 elements, the electron is removed from s orbital. In group 13, electron is removed from p orbital. Since s is more penetrating towards the nucleus, here ionization enthalpy will be more. Question 4. The successive ionization enthalpies of an element are 801, 2427, 3638, 25024, 32824 kilojoule per mole respectively. Number of valence electrons of the atom of the element is A5, B2, C3 and D4. हमें 5 सक्सेसिव आयनाइजेशन एंथैल्पीज दी हुई है और हमें वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन्स बताने हैं एटम में कितने हैं. The right answer will be C3 because we can see in the successive ionization enthalpy between third and fourth there is a very high increase. After third ionization enthalpy there is a very sharp increase in fourth ionization enthalpy. And we know that sharp increase in ionization enthalpy means end of valence electron. जब आयनाइजेशन इंथैल्पी में शार्प इंक्रीज आ जाता है, जो थर्ड आयनाइजेशन इंथैल्पी के बाद आ रहा है, इट मीन्स इट हैज 3 वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. Fifth, which of the following transitions involve maximum amount of energy? First, M से M positive, second M positive से M2 positive, third M2 positive से M3 positive, fourth, all involve the same amount of energy. The right answer will be third. Because the successive ionization enthalpies always increase. Ionization enthalpy 3 will be more than IE2, more than IE3. So here the third ionization enthalpy will have maximum energy. That's why the answer is 3. Question 6. Which of the following configuration is of the atom with the lowest second ionization enthalpy? हमें इन 4 configurations में से वो ढूंढनी है जिसमें second ionization enthalpy सबसे कम होगी. The right answer will be fourth. After removal of one electron, it will become 3s1. And then it will be having a very high tendency to lose the 3s1 electron, because after removal of this electron it will attain noble gas configuration. That's why fourth option will have the lowest second ionization enthalpy. After removal of one electron from 3s2, it becomes 3s1, and after removing this electron it becomes noble gas configuration. That's why IE2 will be lowest for fourth option. Question 7. S2 negative has higher ionic radius than calcium 2 positive because. 4 options are given. You have to find the right answer. Why S2 negative is having higher ionic radius than Ca2 positive? The right answer will be second, because in S2 negative, number of electron is more. That's why effective nuclear charge will decrease. Whereas in calcium 2 positive, effective nuclear charge increase because of loss of electrons. Question 8. With the increase of nuclear charge, A. Radius of isoelectronic species increase, B. Ionization enthalpy increase, C. Electron gain enthalpy becomes more negative. You have to find out of A, B, C which statements are correct. So as the nuclear charge will increase, radius of isoelectronic species will decrease. That's why A is wrong. With the increase of nuclear charge, ionization enthalpy will increase. This is correct. Electron gain enthalpy will become more negative. This is also correct. So correct option is B and C. Question 9. The screening effect of inner electrons of the nucleus causes A. A decrease in ionization potential, B. Increase in ionization potential, C. Decrease in electron affinity, D. Increase in electron affinity. You have to find 2 correct options. Because of screening effect, effective nuclear charge will decrease. Because of that, there will be decrease in ionization potential and decrease in electron affinity. Because screening effect की वजह से nuclear charge कम हो जाएगा. That's why correct answer is first. Which one of the following sets of ions represent the collection of isoelectronic species? हमें इन ABCD 4 ऑप्शंस में से आइसोइलेक्ट्रॉनिक स्पीशीज फाइंड आउट करनी है. The right answer will be C. K positive, Ca2 positive, scandium 3 positive and chlorine 1 negative all have 18 electrons. 11th, which of the following orders of ionic radii is correct? 4 orders are given here. We have to find the correct order of ionic radius. A तो गलत हो जाएगा because anion has a more size than parent atom and cation's size is less than parent atom. तो ये इधर होना चाहिए था. B भी गलत हो जाएगा because ionic size will increase with negative charge. O2 नेगेटिव का साइज बड़ा होना चाहिए था. ये ऐसे होने चाहिए थे. D is also wrong because पॉजिटिव चार्ज जितना ज्यादा होगा साइज उतना कम होगा. ये साइंस भी ऐसे होने चाहिए थे. C is correct. जितना ज्यादा नेगेटिव चार्ज होगा आयनिक साइज उतना बड़ा होगा. क्वेश्चन 12. In P3 negative, S2 negative, Cl negative ions, the increasing order of size is. हमें इन 3 आयन्स का इंक्रीजिंग ऑर्डर ऑफ साइज यानी सबसे छोटा आयन पहले होना चाहिए. So the correct answer will be A. Ionic size is directly proportional to the negative charge. With increase in negative charge, effective nuclear charge per electron will decrease. Question 13. The correct order of negative electron gain enthalpy of halogen atoms is. Halogens यानी फ्लोरीन, क्लोरीन, ब्रोमीन एंड आयोडीन की हमें इलेक्ट्रॉन गेन एंथैल्पी का ऑर्डर बताना है. Answer will be B. The electron gain enthalpy of chlorine is more negative than fluorine. This was an exception. That's why it becomes important. Exceptions are very important. Question 14. Which of the following configuration is expected to have maximum difference in second and third ionization enthalpy? हमें 4 ऑप्शंस दी हुई हैं. इनमें से बताना है कि सेकेंड और थर्ड आयनाइजेशन एंथैल्पी में मैक्सिमम डिफरेंस किस ऑप्शन में होगा. Maximum difference in second and third ionization enthalpy means that 2 valence electrons should be there. So 2 valence electrons are in option C. C is the correct answer. Among Mg, Mg2 positive, Al and Al3 positive, which will have the largest and smallest size respectively? स्मॉलेस्ट साइज के लिए पॉजिटिव चार्ज सबसे ज्यादा होना चाहिए. पॉजिटिव चार्ज सबसे ज्यादा एल्यूमिनियम 3 पॉजिटिव में है. दैट्स वाई एल्यूमिनियम 3 पॉजिटिव स्मॉलेस्ट है. लार्जेस्ट है Mg. That's why first is the correct answer. Question 16. The successive ionization energies of an element A are IE1 6 electron volt, IE2 18.8 electron volt, IE3 30.2 electron volt and IE4 120 electron volt. Formula of oxide of element A is. यहाँ पे जो हमें सक्सेसिव आयनाइजेशन एंथैल्पीज दी हुई हैं, यू कैन सी दैट फ्रॉम IE3 टू IE4 देयर इज अ शार्प इंक्रीज. IE3 सिर्फ 30.2 इलेक्ट्रॉन वोल्ट और IE4 120 होगी. तो IE3 के बाद एक शार्प इंक्रीज आ रहा है. इट मीन्स देयर आर 3 वैलेंस इलेक्ट्रॉन्स इन एलिमेंट A. सो वैलेंसी ऑफ एलिमेंट A विल बी 3. A की वैलेंसी 3 है, O की वैलेंसी 2 होती है. So the formula of oxide will be A2O3. Correct answer will be A2O3.